Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure maintenance request intake with HomeAdvisor Pro, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure maintenance request intake with HomeAdvisor Pro, begin by logging into your HomeAdvisor Pro account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, find the intake section. Select maintenance requests from the options provided. You will now see the configuration options for maintenance request intake. Start by entering your business information if it isn't already populated. Make sure your contact details are accurate and up to date. Next, set your availability for maintenance requests. Specify the days and hours you are available to accept requests. Scroll down to the request form customization options. Here, you can add specific fields to your intake form. Consider what information is essential for handling maintenance requests. Add fields for client contact details, service type, and urgency level. Once you have customized the form, preview it to ensure it meets your needs. If everything looks satisfactory, save the changes. Now, proceed to configure notifications for incoming requests. Select how you would like to receive alerts for new maintenance requests. You can choose email, SMS, or push notifications. Set the priority levels for different types of requests if needed. After configuring notifications, review all settings for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, finalize the setup by clicking Save Changes. Your maintenance request intake is now configured. Make sure to test the intake process by submitting a sample request. Check that all notifications and details are functioning as intended. Now, you are fully equipped to manage maintenance requests efficiently with HomeAdvisor Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.